Here are 12 books you should read in 2024. Fiction or non-fiction, the best books transport us to another world, and there are plenty of destinations to choose from to begin your year of reading. Fiction. 1. Wandering Stars by Tommy Orange. 2. Until August by Gabriel Marquez. 3. James by Percival Everett. 4. Bear by Julia Phillips. 5. The Wedding People by Alison Espach. 6. The Fury by Alex Michaelides. 7. Ye Women by Kristen Hanna. Non-fiction. 8. The House of Hidden Meanings, a memoir by RuPaul. 9. Knife. Meditations After an Attempted Murder by Salman Rushdie. 10. The Demon of Unrest by Erik Larson. 11. Supercommunicators by Charles Duhigg. 12. American Girls. One Woman's Journey into the Islamic State and Her Sister's Fight to Bring Her Home by Jessica